Hey guys, FirstinWeather here. This video will be about the short term and also the long term, in the long term meaning the next couple of weeks. As we head into the NAM model and switch to the U.S. continental view, we can see that precipitation chances are actually relatively low after Wednesday. On Wednesday, I think we're gonna have a cold front coming through. And this is taking its good time loading, but that cold front is coming through early Wednesday morning, and because of that, all these storms are going to fizzle. So this cold front will be mostly a dry cold front for the northeast and southeast, but as we head later into Wednesday, some of these storms will flare up again for Virginia, North Carolina, and South Carolina. So while the cold front really won't have that much precipitation associated with it in the afternoon and evening, Virginia, especially in North Carolina, could see a few thunderstorms pop up, and some of these could be severe. It won't be a widespread outbreak of severe weather, but a few isolated storms could be severe. And tomorrow is going to be the last above average day regarding temperatures for the next 10 to 12 days or so, because after this cold front comes through, and if we switch to the GFS model and go to the North American region and switch to the 500 millibar height anomaly, we can see that we have a pretty well-established trough in the area. Which is pumping in below average temperatures in the eastern United States, and then we have a weak ridge in the western United States that's pumping in above average temperatures. And if you saw my 2-week outlook video of a couple of days ago, I was saying that the core of the cold air would be located in the central United States, right here. This is where the most below average temperatures would be, and I still think that's going to happen. I also think the core of the warmest air, or most above average temperatures, will be occurring in the western United States, right around this region. So as you can see, this trough right here is really focusing on the eastern U.S., but I think over the next few days, especially into late August, we're going to see that core of cold air switch to this area of the country, while the eastern United States sees slightly below average temperatures to average temperatures. Now as we go forward, you can see we still have that trough in place. This is August 25th. Now we move forward, we still have below average temperatures for the eastern United States, and then it's looking like finally September 4th, September 5th, we finally get a pattern change. We start to get a nice big ridge in the area, pumping above average temperatures for the central and eastern portions of the country, and then we have a nice little trough in the northwestern portions of the state, pumping in below average temperatures. And so by the looks of this, it's looking like the end of August, the next 10 to 12 days, is going to feature below average temperatures for the eastern United States and above average temperatures for the western United States. And as we go forward in time, you can see that we have another trough now building in the western United States, and this will actually swing into the eastern United States, because as you can see, there's this line right here that's signifying a cold front. So this is going to swing through the United States, and so we're going to see a brief break from the heat September 4th and September 5th with above average temperatures, but then here we go again. We're going to see another trough coming through the area. And so the way it's looking like right now, we could be seeing below average temperatures from the looks of it for all the way till the second week of September, if not more. After that, it becomes uncertain what will happen. But as you can see, the GFS model is painting a clear picture that right after that ridge, we're going to get another trough coming through, and this trough is actually looking pretty strong. So we're going to see temperatures, if this does happen, because this is very far away, 15 days away, but if this does happen, we're going to see temperatures 5 to 15 degrees below average, especially in the upper Midwest and the Northeast in the United States. So this really is something that bears attention. It's something that I'll be looking at for the next couple of days and couple of weeks. And so right now the general pattern is looking like below average temperatures for the east, above average temperatures for the west, and this looks to take place for the next 2 to 3 weeks. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.